I am Suraj Agarwal and you are watching your favorite channel Gardening is My Passion. Today friends, I have brought about a unique plant that is universally used all around the world. That is a unique plant, lots of medicinal use and some Ayurvedic use, alternative medicinal use and around all over the world. So this is the unique plant and I am discussing about the unique plant named aloe vera. Aloe vera is the plant that is this is a plant of some tropical area, climate area plant. It is found mainly in the tropical and subtropical countries of the world. The origin of the plant is Yemen, that is the Socotra and the Somalia and Sudan of African belt. So this is some tropical and subtropical climate of origin. This is the plant and found all over the world. So I am showing you the plant that I am planting here. There are so many plants here, the aloe vera plants here. So these are I am showing you. This is the plants I have grown here in the garden. So in the soil of the garden, and these are the plants that I am showing you here. This is the main plant, and besides there are so many pups. The baby plants are called pups, and if I pluck it here from, this one is the pups that grow from the sides of the plant. So many pups grow from the sides of the plant, and it can be grown from the seeds also. In the summertime, some spike come out from here, spike in the summertime, and the blooms so many flowers. And with these seeds, new seed germination, with the seed germination, you can get new plants. But mostly we grow it with the pups that is growing side, and this is called offsets. This in biological term, these are called offsets, and offsets, these are the plants. These are plant offsets. From these here we grow from the offsets. This is called offsets, and you can plant it in your cans or pots and you can use it. So these are the offsets. You can, there hundreds of offsets are there. You can grow in your pot. So the plant's leaves are thick and fleshy. So these leaves are thick and fleshy, and these are the teeth here and serrated thorns here. So these are the thorns, teeth here, thick and fleshy, and inside it filled with a translucent jelly. So this plant, it grows around 1 feet to 2 feet tall, and in the summertime some spikes come out from here for flowering. The spike around 3 to 4 feet high, spike around these flowers. And these are the leaves here, and the jelly is filled inside the leaves. Usually the color is green or grey, and sometimes the color is some white specks here. So in the upper side and lower side, these are the white specks. So the species is aloe vera chinensis. This is the aloe vera chinensis. So many varieties are there. Around 15 species are there, and more than 100 varieties are found world over about this aloe vera plant. So I am going to show you how these plants, and it is filled with jelly. So this is filled with jelly type, and this jelly is mainly used in beverages, lotions, ointments, and so many commercial and consumer products, and hundreds of companies are there in the manufacturing companies. They are using it as their commercial product. So millions of people all over the world are using this jelly for the beverage purpose, for lotion purpose, or syrup purpose, or some medicinal use for stomach problem, and so many use they use it. So this is the jelly. The stem is very short. That's why it is called stemless or short-stemmed plant. This stem is very short. So these are the plants here. So friends, this is the plant aloe vera. You can find it in desert or semi-desert area. So this is a succulent type of plant. So if you want to pot it, this can be grown inside or indoors or outdoors. So if you want to grow it indoors, and you can grow it, you may want to grow it in pots. So select a big pot if possible, and some kind of pottery pot. If it is made of soil, this is the pottery pot. So use this pot, this type of pot made of soil. So for the mixture, you should use the cactus and succulent mix. If you get from any nursery shop or from garden store some cactus and succulent mix, that would be nice for it. Otherwise, you make your own some cactus and succulent mix. So I am showing you to mix some of the leaf mold here. Leaf mold and sand and some coco peat. So mix it 1/3 of this leaf mold, 1/3 of the sand, and 1/3 is the coco peat. This mixture will make your this succulent type of plant mix. So it would be nice, and we have mixed all these three compound here. And if you want, you can mix some pebbles also. So now I have mixed all these compounds and filling up the pots here. So you should have some holes here inside so that extra water can go out from here. So you must have some holes inside the pot. So this should be the clay pot. It is advisable to use clay pot. So friends, I am making the mixing here. So and make it a mix. This mix contains leaf mold, sand, that is river sand, and coco peat. These are ready for my mixing of the pots, filling of the pots. First, you have to plant this plant. I am removing the pups from here, and this is the big plant. If you are planting one big plant, so I am making some hole here and planting some here. Press it with light hand, then again put soil mix here, and this plant has a very small stem. So this pot is ready. So now you have to water it and mate it. Now I am putting some pups. So these are the pups. Baby plants are called pups. So I am placing some pups here. I will be putting here 3 to 4 pups here. So don't use much of the pups because they will grow enormously, and from the beneath side so many pups again will grow from here. So many pups will again grow here, and after 1 year you have to shift in another pot because so many pups will gather here, and you have to remove the pups and again repot it in another pots. So I have done it all together. And if you are keeping it inside your indoors, so water it once in a week. So if you are keeping indoors, water it once in a week. And if you are keeping it outdoors, if it is summer season, heat scorching season, water once in a week, and otherwise water once in a month. So it is a succulent plant. It does not need water at all, much water at all. And if you give more water, then the roots might be rotten and the plant may die. So don't try to give much water in it. So if you are keeping indoors or outdoors, so keep reminding, I am reminding you, don't water it much. So otherwise the plant will die. So this is a succulent type of plant, and these are the all from semi-desert area plant. So friends, small 2 pups are here. So I am also growing it here also. So this I am putting here in this small pot. It is 5-inch pot, and that is 8-inch pot here, and I am putting here also. So once you grow all this plant, put all this plant, water it, and keep in mind, don't water it within 15 days again. After 15 days you water it, and and every 15 days or 1 month you have to water it. So friends, if you like my video on aloe vera, so please like my video, share it, and subscribe my channel. If not you have at all subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and a lot more videos, more informative and more interesting videos are coming on your way. So please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you so many videos. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with me, and thank you very much.